when plant cell keeping three different solutions like isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, hypertonic solution. Already in previous class we discussed about the animal cell. When we keep in three different solutions, so what will happen? Already previous class we discussed. Now this plant cell when keeping these three different solutions, so what will happen? Now we discuss. Okay, one plant cell when keeping isotonic solution. Isotonic solution means two regions having same osmotic concentration. That solution is known as isotonic solutions. Best examples of isotonic solution is 9% NaCl, 5% glucose solution. These are very important. These two solutions are the best examples for isotonic solution. Okay, when plant cell keeping isotonic solution, no net movement because in two regions equal concentration take place. Equal concentration. Okay then. Plant cell when keeping isotonic solution, no net movement take place because in two regions same concentration having. Okay, that is isotonic solution. When plant cell keeping hypotonic solution means the cell outside region having low concentration take place. Okay, the solution is called hypotonic solution. When plant cell keeping hypotonic solution, endosmosis take place. Endosmosis means the solvent molecules are transfer or move from lower concentration to higher concentration. Lower concentration to higher concentration. The process known as endosmosis. Water molecules are transferred from lower concentration to higher concentration. Here, water molecules move from outside to inside. Means cytoplasm. Endosmosis takes place. Okay, the resulting of endosmosis, cell becomes turgid. Resulting of endosmosis, cell becomes turgid. Cell becomes turgid means when water molecules enter into the cytoplasm. When water molecules enter into the cytoplasm, they makes pressure. They creates pressure on the cell wall. They create pressure on the cell wall. That is known as turgid. That is known as the turgid. Okay. The cell becomes turgid. By the resulting of continuously this endosmosis takes place, cell wall creates. At the same time, cell wall creates pressure. Equal pressure. Equal pressure to the cytoplasm. Equal pressure to the cell wall creates equal pressure to the cytoplasm. Here, water molecules create pressure on the cell wall. Cell wall creates equal pressure to the cytoplasm. Hence, the cell does not rupture. Cell does not rupture. Cell does not rupture. In hypotonic solution. In hypotonic, when plant cell keeping hypotonic solution, endosmosis takes place. By the resulting of endosmosis, cell becomes turgid. Means the water enters into the cytoplasm that creates pressure on the cell wall. At the same time, the cell wall creates equal pressure to the cytoplasm. So cell does not rupture due to the presence of cell wall. Due to the presence of rigid cell wall. Okay, the cell wall prevents the rupturing of cell wall due to the endosmosis. Okay, next, when plants are keeping hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution means outside, okay, cell outside, high concentration is present outside of the cell. Okay, inside the cell, low concentration is present. Low concentration is present. So, when plant cell keep in the hypertonic solution, water comes out from the cytoplasm to outside of the cell. Water comes out from cytoplasm to outside of the cell. First, inside in cell, okay, the water comes from vacuole to outside of the cell, vacuole to outside of the cell. So the vacuole size becomes reduced. Vacuole in normal plant cell, large size of vacuole is present. In plant cells, large size of vacuole is present. When the plant cell keep in hypertonic solution, water exosmosis takes place. Exosmosis takes place. That means water comes out from the vacuole to outside of the cell. When vacuole lost the water, it reduces the cell, the size of vacuole. It reduces the size. Okay, vacuole becomes smaller in size. Vacuole becomes smaller in size. Okay, because due to the exosmosis. Okay, this when exosmosis takes place, the cell becomes shrinking. Okay, the cell becomes shrinking. Okay, in shrinking cell, the cell does not reduce the size. In shrinkage of cell does not reduce the size. Only vacuole size is reduced. That is very important. Here you remember, cell does not reduce the size. Cell size does not reduce. Only a vacuole size is reduced when exosmosis takes place, because your vacuole lost the water molecule. Okay, when in normal cell, the protoplast or plasma membrane attached with the cell wall. The plasma membrane attached with the cell wall generally. But when exosmosis takes place in the plant cell, a detached plasma membrane is detached from the cell wall. Observe here, plasma membrane. In this condition, the plasma membrane attached with the cell wall. But when exosmosis takes place, plasma membrane move away from the cell wall, move detached from the cell wall, and becomes shrinking. Okay, so this process is known as plasmolysis. Plasmolysis means the process of water comes out from the cell to outside and shrinking the cell membrane. That process is known as the plasmolysis. This cell is known as a plasmolyzed cell. Plasmolyzed cell. Whenever this plasmolyzed cell keep in the normal water, this plasmonic solution, again endosmosis takes place. So when shrinking cell or plasmolyzed cell keep in hypotonic solution or normal water, this plasmolyzed cell absorb water and becomes a endosmosis take place. Here end osmosis takes place and again comes water into the cytoplasm and increase the size of vacuole. This process is known as deplasmolysis. 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 Plasmolysis means what? Here. Plasmolysis means inside the cell, exosmosis takes place and shrinking the cell size. Shrinking the cell. That process is known as plasmolysis. When plasmolyzed cell keep in hypotonic solution or normal water, the endosmosis takes place and again vacuole come back into the original state and this plasma membrane also again come back into original state like this. Okay, the process is known as deplasmolysis. Deplasmolysis. Okay, clear? Next, this here one important thing is, okay, when plasmolysis takes place inside the cell, first this cell membrane detach from the cell wall at corners. That is known as incipient plasmolysis. Very, very important. Incipient plasmolysis. Means plasmolysis takes place at corners. Plasmolysis takes place at corners first. That process is known as incipient plasmolysis. Okay, okay. Next, imbibition. Imbibition. Another process is known as imbibition. Imbibition means solid substances absorb water. Solid substances absorb water. The process is known as imbibition. The solid substances absorb water. That process is known as imbibition. Solid substances. Okay. What are the solid substances? For example, generally we observe doors which are present outside of the house. When we try to close the doors, we face difficulty to close because in rainy season they absorb water. In rainy season they absorb water and increase in the size becomes or increase in the size. So to make difficult to close the doors, that process is best example for imbibition. And whenever soak some seeds, we collect some seeds and soak in the water. Okay. After few hours, what do you observe? The increase in the size. Okay. That is also one of the best example for imbibition process. Imbibition means the solid substances are colloids. Solid substances are colloids absorb water. The process is known as imbibition. Example: water absorbed by dry seeds. Water absorbed by dry seeds and wooden doors. Water absorbed by wooden doors. So these are the best example for imbibition process. Inhibition process. Dry seeds. Plants absorb water. Okay. Plants absorb water through roots. Plants absorb water through roots. Okay. Millions of root eggs increase the surface area of absorption of water. Okay. Here, absorption of water is mainly two types. Okay, that is apoplast, symplast. Apoplast and symplast. Okay, apoplast. For example, observe here na. Here on picture, observe. Okay, apoplast and symplast pathway. Okay, here different types of cells are present. Epidermal cells. Okay, it is epidermal cell, cortex, endodermis, and pericycle. Epidermis, cortex, endodermis, and pericycle. Here, different types of cells are present. Finally, here xylem is present. Water enters into the epidermal cells to cortex to endodermis, and endodermis to pericycle. Finally, reach to xylem. This pathway is known as symplastic pathway. Okay, but next another way also is present. Okay, another way is apoplast. Okay, here observe here. Okay, here two different lines are present. These are root aids. Root aids means this. Okay, these both are root aids. These root aids absorb water and send to the xylem. Here pink color structures are xylem. Okay, xylem operators. Okay, this red color line move from between the cell membranes. Okay, from one cell to another cell. That means the water movement is across the cell membrane. Water movement across the cell membrane. So that process is known as symplastic pathway. Next here, yellow color line. Observe clearly. This yellow color is the way of water is between the intercellular spaces only. Between the intercellular spaces. Observe here does not across the cell membrane. So this type of water transport system is known as apoplastic pathway. Apoplastic pathway. It is symplastic pathway. These two type of pathways are present in the absorption of water. Okay, how to transport water inside the plants? We will discuss about the topic in next class.